When you ask ChatGPT a question, how do you actually get an answer? What's actually happening behind the scenes? First, your sentence is broken down into small pieces called tokens. These tokens are fed into a very large neural network. The system predicts what should come next, one small piece at a time until the full response is formed. That's how generation works. But how is the system trained? There are three stages in this training process. The first stage is called pre-training. The model is trained on massive amounts of text from the internet. During this stage, the neural network repeatedly tries to predict the next word. For example, if it reads sun rises in the, it predicts the most probable next word, east. By doing this billions of times, it learns patterns and gets broad understanding about the world. However, it does not truly know facts. It learns patterns, that's why when it answers can sound confident, but it may not always be correct. This is the most computationally expensive stage in the training process. What comes out of this stage is called a base model. A base model is essentially a simulator of the internet text. It can generate language, but it's not a helpful assistant yet. The next stage, which is a fine-tuning stage, is where we take this base model and train it on smaller, high-quality datasets of labeled conversations. These datasets contain questions and ideal responses written by human labelers. The model learns how an assistant should respond. It imitates the structure, tone, and clarity demonstrated by a human. This is where it becomes helpful and conversational. Compared to pre-training, this step is significantly less expensive. Next stage is reinforcement learning. In this stage, humans compare multiple answers generated by the model and rank them. The model learns which responses are preferred and adjusts accordingly, which improves the reasoning quality of the model. When you ask ChatGPT a question, you're getting output from a system trained step by step to predict the next text in a way that sounds more natural and convincing.